This is the current state of the chair. Number 2 seats also did not fit. Decided to change what we want to do here. We were trying to do like 2 captain's chairs, but then we decided that we like the bench better, the old school bench, because then the seats aren't even, because we're not even. And that way, one of us can take up 2/3 of the chair and the other one can take up 1/3 of the chair, and the chair will still work. So I am waiting for the replacement to come in, and that should be here in a week, I think. So, but for now, we're just sitting there looking a little sad. But that's okay, because we can't even turn our boat on. And the reason I did it is because it's time for our yearly engine service. What I did this year was I had them take off the heat exchanger and the exhaust elbows from our 3YM30 engines. And I did that because the exhaust elbows are notorious on our engines for getting clogged and reducing effectiveness and efficiency. And the same thing with the heat exchanger. The raw water comes in and it cools the coolant, and then it goes back out again. And that part that's raw water tends to clog up with calcium and all sorts of deposits just from running very alive water through it. So those are getting cleaned, and the exhaust elbows are either getting cleaned or we're going to get new ones depending on how bad they are. And then they're going to be here next week to do the service and put all those in. The Reboot should really be purring like a kitten this summer. I am not going to go down into the engine compartment dressed like this, because I like this dress. And I got stuff to do tonight because it's Friday night.